Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of hog plum curry. Wash 23 hog plums and peel it. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more as per your taste. Mix it. Add jaggery. Mix and keep aside for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Add few curry leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of hing. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Stir. Add half onion chopped. Saute it. Keep aside. In a mixer jar, add 1 grated coconut, 3 red chilies, one-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, one-fourth teaspoon of cumin seeds, half green chili, add water, blend it into a fine paste. Add the hog plums to the pan and saute it. Add the ground masala and mix. Add water to the jar as some masala remains in the jar and pour it into the pan. Add salt as per your taste. Add jaggery. Add 1 green chili. Mix and let it cook. Hog plum curry is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.